Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th March 2025. India has ordered Samsung to pay $601 million in back taxes and penalties for evading tariffs on telecom equipment imports. The company misclassified components, including remote radio heads, used in mobile towers to avoid taxes. The payment includes unpaid taxes and fines, and 7 executives face penalties. Aakash Educational Services has approached the National Company Law Tribunal to investigate alleged discrepancies in the insolvency resolution proceedings of Byju's parent company Think and Learn. The company also urged an investigation into the conduct of key parties involved. Several entities and professionals named as respondents in the petition have not responded yet. ORIX Corporation India strategic investment of Rs 300 crore from its Japanese parent ORIX Corporation aims to bolster its leasing and financial services businesses. This capital infusion will support digital transformation, infrastructure enhancement, and green mobility initiatives, underlining ORIX's commitment to the growth and innovation of its operations in India. Quick commerce player Zepto, which is eyeing an IPO, is in the process of raising $200 million to $250 million through a secondary transaction. The move is to increase the shareholding of domestic investors before the company goes for a listing this year. The discussions are being led by Edelweiss Financial Services and existing investor Motilal Oswal Financial Services, among others. SEBI has notified amendments to the Master Circular for Mutual Funds dated June 27, 2024 to facilitate ease of doing business relating to the framework on alignment of interest of the designated employees of the AMC with the interest of the unit holders. As per the amended norms, every scheme must now disclose the compensation in aggregate mandatorily invested in units for the designated employees on the website of the stock exchanges. Earlier, this disclosure was made on the website of AMCs. SEBI has mandated that all registered intermediaries uploading ads on social media platform providers or SMPPs like Google and Meta verify their contact details by 30th April 2025. These SMPPs will thereafter carry out advertiser verification of SEBI registered intermediaries, after which intermediaries will be permitted to upload or publish advertisements on these platforms. All intermediaries interested in publishing advertisements are now advised to update their contact details on the SEBI portal. RBI has clarified that regulated entities shall not be required to deduct an ROU asset created in terms of Ind AS 116 leases from owned fund or CET1 capital or Tier 1 capital, provided the underlying asset being taken on leases is a tangible asset. Also, the ROU asset must be risk weighted at 100%, consistent with risk weight applied historically to owned tangible assets. The circular applies immediately to all NBFCs and ARCs implementing Companies Indian Accounting Standards Rules 2015.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.